Hello everybody, this is just going to be a really quick video on what I'm going to pack to take to India. Today is, what's today? I think it's Saturday and I leave on Thursday next week. So I thought today was a really good day because I was doing nothing else, that I was going to lay it all out on the bed and show you exactly what I'm taking. I'm just going to take the one bag, which is my Cotopaxi 28 litre. So in here, I've already packed my little bra tops and my underwear and one bathing suit. I am going to take my black flary trousers in case we've got an evening out. I've got my brown trousers. I am going to insert little pictures so that you can see what they actually look like. My green zip-up pockets and my little black shorts. I'm going to take those to sleep in. How many tops am I taking? I also have over here my airport outfit. So I've got a pair of pants, a bra top, a little cami t-shirt, my white shirt and a pair of trousers. So here I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 tops plus the cami top plus the other shirt there. So these are going into my packing cube. I'm only going to take one packing cube with me because I am only going for 10 days. So I'm not going to need a huge amount. I'm also going to, I have a little dress here which I have bought. And I literally just wear this when I get out the shower, I'm lounging around the house, I'm doing some editing. It's really comfortable. Yeah, it was literally like, I think it was like $5 from the market stall. It's not very well made, but it's extremely comfortable. There is room, so that is going in there. So those are the clothes that I am taking, and I am obviously not going to pack the clothes that I'm taking on the airport. Let's just pop those in there, get them out of the way. Over here I have got my sarong because I think there might be a swimming opportunity. I have my hat. I have 2 little towels here. This is a very small hand towel and this is a Matador towel. I might take my other little towel as well because, to be honest, these don't take up any room whatsoever, so they can go in there. My umbrella. So this is the sun umbrella. I have used this so much. It's rainy season here at the moment, but it's really good for protecting from the sun or for the rain, obviously. Right, that's that side. Let's zip that up. And I've got plenty of room up here if I want to buy myself a couple of little outfits. So that goes in here. I have got my electronics case, so I've just got some cables in there. I've taken a lot of it out. There's not much in there, but it just keeps it all together. So that is going in. My world charging plug there. Let's pop that in. I've got my Peak Design little packable tote, which in all honesty, I have used this so much. And I just thought, to start with, for ages I didn't get one. And I thought, it's too expensive, it's gimmicky. No, it's not. I have used this literally every day. I really have. So that is definitely coming. And my 10 litre packable backpack as well. That is coming with me because that's great for a day out. So that can go in there. And then I have a tiny little bag here. It's got my loop earplugs. In this little bag here, pouch, I've got some medication, just some paracetamol, some Imodium, and I've got an eyeliner and a mascara. And in here, it's not double mint, it is charcoal tablets, so a couple of those. Oh, and I got a set of earrings as well. I've brought them with me, haven't worn them once, so thought, do you know what, I'm going to put them in. My electric toothbrush, non-negotiable. I have the cap, so I'm filming on my Insta360 right now. This is the little plastic cap that covers over the lenses, so I've got that. This is the little bag that the Insta360 comes in, but to be honest, I don't really use it for that. In here, I have actually used it to keep the charging cable, the little wind muff thing. I just find that so easy rather than the hard shell case. So that is going in. Let me come over here. In this little top pocket, I can shut this now but again, there's not much in there. I am going to take a couple of coffee sachets here. I'll probably get a few more to take because every time I have like proper filtered coffee, I don't sleep. So I'll take some of those. I have got an India travel plug. I've got my little wet bag that if my swimsuit's wet and we're moving on, I can put that in there. This, which is little hooks and my washing line, that comes with me where else, and my luggage scales. That can go in there. That's that. Let's do that up. In this little front pocket here, I have got a comb, a face buff thing, and this was from Poundland, and it's just a neck pillow. So that can go in there with that. Zipped up. These are my liquids. I had a soap saver bag. No idea what I've done with that because I'm sure I brought it with me. Toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. To be honest, I probably only need to bring conditioner because I expect the places we're staying have it. But I've just put a little bit in. So some deodorant, some Tiger Balm, some anti-itch cream. What else is in here? A little bit of perfume and some nasal spray. So those can go in, but obviously that will get smaller as I travel. That can go. And in this front pocket here, I have got some Dettol wipes to wipe down the tray table and the buckle on the, what do you call it, the seat belt, the screen, anything that I might touch, I wipe that all down. So they can go in there. A Sharpie with a little bit of surgical tape around the end of it. A disposable toothbrush, which I got given when I flew over here. I just thought, I've got a long day of travel, I might as well use it up. So that can go in there. An eye mask. I've not worn it. I've not used it since I've been here. It was given to me for free on the flight, and I have got this little hand towel thing, which sometimes comes in handy when you're out and about. That can go in there. A little clip, so if I have food or something that I want to seal up that I haven't finished, I've got that. And in here, I've got some toothpicks. So that can go in there. And actually, I've got a few Vietnamese notes here. I think it's worth about £1. It's not very much, but yeah, just in case I need something at the airport. And that, oh, hold on, there is one more bit round here. I'm not going to take my laptop with me. I was going to, but I just thought it's going to be a fast-paced tour, so I'm not going to take it. So in the back here, I've just got photocopies of my passports, my visa, things like that. And then I've got a couple of little foldable containers. So if you go out and you want something to eat off of, you just fold them up. Again, I forgot I had them and they've been sat in there, but they don't take up any room and they don't particularly weigh anything either. So yeah, that is my bag. I did weigh it and it is about 6.8 kilos, so it's well under. I also have my Uniqlo bag as well. In here I've got my torch, which has come in amazing. I use this all the time and just clip it to my handbag. I've got some hand sanitizer. I've got sunglasses, my little pouch with my passport in it, some very small baby wipes, a little pouch, what's in here, a small comb, pen, nail file, nothing really, a little pad, my headphones, Apple AirPods, my charging brick, small glasses. I have a charging cable and plug in here. I think there's just a few reel in here, not very much, maybe about 50 cents worth. And here I have got my collapsible fan and a very small medical kit. So just to take out when I'm out and about. I've got some Imodium, I've got some lens wipes for my glasses, plaster and paracetamol. And that is everything that I am taking with me. I am toying with taking my noise cancelling headphones for the flight, but the flight is only, the longest flight from Ho Chi Minh to Delhi is like 4 hours, so these will work. So I think, to be fair, I'm just going to take these with me. And that is everything. So I am going to have to take some of those clothes out because obviously I've still got a few days before I go, but I just wanted to put the packing video together so that I can edit it so that you can see it. I have also got, my mobile phone, which I am doing the close-up shots on, and my Insta360 cameras, but I'm filming on those, so I can't show you. I hope you've enjoyed this. Do you think that there's anything I've forgotten? I'm going to have my flip-flops as well. I might take my other shoes, my closed-toe water shoes that I got from, let me show you. Flip-flops are self-explanatory, but these are the shoes that I don't know whether I'm going to take them or not. We will see is the thing. So yeah, if I do, I will wear those on the plane and pack my flip-flops, but I have plenty of room. So there we go. I'm excited. Not long now. Anyway, I will see you in the next one, which is me going to the airport to fly from Siem Reap to Ho Chi Minh, then Ho Chi Minh to Delhi. I know, it's a long story, and I'll tell you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.